1. Eating tacos gives you the power of teleportation. Just take a bite of a delicious taco and you'll instantly find yourself in a different location. Tacos are the ultimate mode of transportation. Nos. 2. Tacos have the magical ability to grant you the power of invisibility. Just imagine munching on a taco and suddenly disappearing from sight. You could pull off some incredible pranks or become the world's sneakiest spy. 3. Tacos contain a secret ingredient that allows you to control the weather. Take a big bite of a taco and watch as the clouds part, the sun shines brighter, and a gentle breeze sweeps through the air. With the power of tacos, you'll never have a rainy day again. Now, 4. Eating tacos can turn you into a human lie detector. After devouring a taco, you'll gain the uncanny ability to detect even the tiniest fibs. Your friends won't be able to get away with any white lies around you anymore. 5. Tacos are known to enhance your sense of humor to superhuman levels. Once you've had a taco, you'll become the funniest person in the room. Your jokes will be so hilarious that people will be rolling on the floor with laughter. Tacos, the ultimate comedy enhancer. So what are you waiting for? Find a taco truck and find out your superpower today.